So here we've got Ashleigh. Ashleigh's come along to the Spinning Babies workshop today. And Ashleigh, tell me, what have you actually learnt today and how is that going to impact your business and what you do with your pregnant clients?
Yeah, so hi, I'm Dr Ashleigh Bond, chiropractor, women's health focused practice and working with pregnancy, paediatrics and infants. I came specifically to the Spinning Babies workshop because I know that so many women need support well before they give birth, and that's something that I believe that Spinning Babies achieves, is to create an environment which we have optimal fetal positioning, which is certainly something that chiropractors focus on with our scope of practice. So this is a wonderful supportive technique in terms of allowing us to be able to teach our pregnant families which partners can be involved in that process, and also to prevent the pathway towards intervention if we can optimise the baby's position before the birth process starts.
Fantastic. And what do you think, how do you think being able to teach partners these sorts of techniques, how do you think that's going to be of benefit to women during labour and birth?
Yeah, it's incredibly empowering to have a birth partner there who has complete, support and comfort for you, and particularly in my own birth process, having my husband able to do some things that made me feel better, more comfortable, more secure, more safe, allows us to drop the fear that often surrounds pregnancy, which obviously enhances our labour process and progress. So I think when partners feel part of the team, they can really do a lot to help their labouring women.
Yeah, great. Okay, thanks Ashleigh. We really enjoy having you here today, and I'm sure that your pregnant women are going to really enjoy these new tools and techniques that you've learnt today.
Thanks so much, Vicki.
Thank you.